So I'm actually going to do that right quick. The vacuum I'm using is a BISSELL Cleanview Helix. It has the exclusive Helix system in it, which what that does just improves the overall performance on the Bissels. It's about all it does, really. It's nothing super fancy. And I might even get into doing a handling video over there too. Cord's not very long, which sucks. That's one thing I hate about this vacuum. Cord's not long at all. Alright guys, going to the hallway. I'll have to do that off cam over there by the door. Hard to believe a house with carpeted bathroom floor, right? Let me tell you. Alright guys, excuse me. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now I'm going to finish the video. I'm not going to do film all of it. I'm going to go ahead and finish vacuuming the floor, and I might actually do a handling video, like I said, I don't know.